I'm Tanisha Porwal, a first year BSc Finance student at NMIMS.
Hi Tanisha, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
So Tanisha, tell me, what has been the best part about your journey in NMIMS so far?
I think it has been the clubs lately because they have been a very important part of my life. How I have got hands on the fundamentals and technicals from the finance field, the financial markets, understanding, exploring, doing projects. And apart from that, I'm part of one of those clubs where I can also pursue my side passion like photography.
What are the different types of clubs there? How many are there actually?
There are 30 plus clubs in NMIMS offering you various variations depending upon your needs, your traits, your passion, your hobbies.
Alright, so what has been, the most favorite activity you've done in one of these clubs so far?
I think the GBMs, the general body meeting where everyone from different departments meet, we hang out, we discuss, and it's fun.
Okay, understood. And do you aspire to maybe, one day be vice president or president of one of these clubs?
Yeah, absolutely.
And why is that?
I mean, being a part of these clubs, I've realized everyone here is not working to be dominating or to lead. It's because we want to grow as collectively, as something to become something together and not rule on each other and understand and be empathetic with each other and work and create something new.
Yeah, I get that. So you're able to balance, clubs,
Yeah.
studying side by side.
Yeah, it is manageable. It's first year. It's a bit overwhelming because new courses, new students, new friends, but it's doable. It helps you keep distracted.
I've often heard that through clubs you can actually, connect with your seniors and things like that. Have you met a senior you've really liked through any of these clubs?
Yeah, from finance club, I got hands-on with one of the seniors and I was utterly impressed for the amount of projects he has done. It really encourages me to improve my LinkedIn and work on researches.
Yeah, right. So if you had to leave the audience with one takeaway, what would it be?
I feel like confidence is what you will learn throughout this journey, be it clubs, be it presentations, be it in classroom, outdoor, indoor, because again, networking is important and that's where you learn from universities where they teach you such good quality education.
All right. Perfect. Thank you so much, Tanisha.
Thank you, Sneh.